Wait 1 minute. No,
Cutting it off, yep.
that's it. Mrs.
Oh,
Leather
no, I've had enough of
Jacket
this
Guy.
now. No, I've actually had enough of this.
No, come on. We look great together.
No, we don't.
Somebody, a lot of people actually, complained that the beef jerky that the last video wasn't real American beef jerky. Hi, Tri-Channel staff.
Got a trick.
Anya O'Neill is great. That was nice. This is a gift for you from one of our customers, Alex Sanderstrom. No, from Alex. I recently watched Irish people try American beef jerky, and I feel that the jerky you had wasn't ideal for what jerky could actually be. So here's a taste of some of my favorite gourmet jerky from Jeff's famous beef jerky in Orange County, California. Well, do you know what, Alex? Thanks so much, and it better taste good, or we're coming to your house because we have your address.
Jerk me up, boy. It's gotta be a better way to say that.
Right, so Jeff's famous beef jerky, old-fashioned original, natural smoke flavoured.
Oh, I see. This is real stuff. All right, right.
Well, if this is made recently, how can it be old-fashioned?
It's old-fashioned, it's not old.
Oh, I look like an idiot in front of the internet.
Oh, that's saucy, isn't it?
Give us the smell of it.
For jerky.
Oh no, it smells really good.
Smells like a nice dinner, man.
Yeah. Mmm.
Oh my god.
Fair play,
We
Jeff.
were eating garbage.
It's like something you'd have on the pan after you cook.
This is amazing. I would eat the whole bag of that.
Yeah, it's just like dinner you can bring around with you everywhere, innit?
It's real meaty, like real chewy. The other one was just like almost like plasticky or something.
That hurts your
Jump out.
job.
It what? Is it she talking like a cowboy?
Like I can imagine sitting around a fire eating this.
Oh, it's explosive, but it's real sweet,
Yeah,
isn't it?
real sweet. I love it.
Very chewy.
It's like eating the leg of a woman.
Do we have this in Ireland?
Hate when they send you shit that you can't get over here, make you love it, and then never get it again. Got it. Maple brown sugar.
Jeff again.
They're all Jeff's. This is the company.
You don't know how juicy this is gonna be, Shannon.
But look at this one just compared to the last one. It's just like the proper like bacony look
Oh.
to it. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ingredients. Bacon. Duh.
Oh my god, smell that.
Oh, it smells like bacon.
It's not as good as the last one,
Are
but
you
it is.
high?
It is pretty good.
It's not what you do.
Good.
It's good.
It tastes like you're eating your own tongue.
Why don't Ireland do these? These are amazing.
So sugary and bacony. What?
The maple and the sugar is all just overriding
Yeah, I don't
my
like
senses.
the sugar. Maybe if you suck it.
If you suck
You
it,
know, you know what I mean?
you're sucking your...
I'd have this all the time. I'd eat it like a bag of crisps.
Jeff's out there bloody mastering. You're sucking his jerky.
I don't know. I just never knew that you could make meat taste so good.
I'll suck it myself, actually. Actually, no,
No, see, everything I say,
I
you
didn't think you
undermine.
could suck jerky.
Korean barbecue. What does that mean?
You're not supposed to.
Yeah, there was weird things on it.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Is it gonna be a little bit spicy? No, it's
No,
not
it says sweet. It
Oh.
says sweet. So we should be fine. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that.
You wouldn't want to be starved from getting into these
I
anyway.
actually can't open
With
it.
your leather jacket. Oh, shit, it's on the fall in between.
Oh, that's like stick and sweetie or sweet and
Ooh,
sticky
hello.
barbecue.
Like a rib. Doesn't it remind you of a rib?
Yeah, bag
a
of
rib
ribs.
from the Chinese. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it smells like Chinese ribs.
Smell it. Oh yeah, look at that. Jesus, look at that.
I bet they don't even know our Chinese food tastes like that. This is what we got over here, and it's unreal.
It's not bad though, is it?
No, I like the smell of it more than I like the taste of it. I could put this in a salad and it'd make the salad like a million times better.
They don't get the flavour on it. They get the flavour in it and throughout. How do they do it?
Habanero heat wave.
Real steak.
Oh no!
What? Intense flavor. What?
Look at this big thing up here.
The little evil chili at the top.
Heat wave, just what you need in a leather jacket.
The big devil-looking pepper with glasses on. No.
Oh my god, this might make me cry.
Habanero. Do you eat habaneros every so often, Teddy?
I don't know how I'm gonna react to this.
No. Okay. Fair. I see what you did there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, just smell the fire in this.
Oh whoa.
And look at, they have the chili flakes on it.
Flakes running on.
There we go for it.
Yeah.
Mmm. 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 Oh, that's hotter than Jeff's one. That's lovely, it's not.
It's like the beat is going to drop eventually.
I hope it does soon. There's one on me neck. Oh yeah, that's back and throat job, yeah.
Oh, I should not be in the whole thing.
Oh no.
That milk saved my life. Oh, we're getting boat of the cow.
Oh my god, you not think that burns your mouth? No, it's lovely like.
Serious heat packed with flavour.
Not wrong.
Not getting the flavour. I'm more so just getting the serious heat, Jeff.
Oh, jeez, that's an arse matter, isn't it?
Out of 10.
Oh god, like spicy this like a 47.
Can we go back to sweet?
Can't commit to the leather jacket guy. Seriously.
What's this now?
Look at it, read it. Sriracha, ghost
Sriracha.
peppers now.
Extra hot and spicy.
Oh! Oh, my tongue is on fire.
And that's how you know it's extra. It's no E in the extra.
Yeah. Extra hot and spicy.
And I was gonna say you should have left that one to last. That was the hottest. This is the hottest, isn't it?
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The last one was hot because my tongue has
still going
not
in
came
it?
back to its life now.
They're very good at getting their flavours right.
Yes, I'm scared for this.
Yeah.
Come on, do a bit. You know what about they're laughing at you. Going, oh, Irish people.
I can do this.
Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Right, here we go.
What the heck is, what is an Ipsarat? Ghost pepper! Why didn't I read that before I put it in my mouth?
Wait, what? I'm actually doing a really big bit. What's a ghost pepper?
Ghost pepper, Shannon!
What's a ghost pepper? Where's it
You're
say
about to
that?
find out.
That's okay.
Wait. Wait. Oh no. Oh my god, yeah, it's back your throat now.
You go, you don't need milk for it, and then you need milk
Yeah.
for it.
Ow.
It's very sweet, but
Yeah, the last one was hotter, man. Oh, yeah.
I'm not sweating in the leather.
Don't feel it one bit.
I think the chili flakes just really got you in the last one. If the chili flakes were like, attack!
Scraping the inside of my throat and tongue and stuff, but it's not like, you know, I'm not passing out with it or whatever.
If this had ghost pepper potential, we'd be crying right now, so we're good.
Do you know what Jeff left out? That's what he left out. If he made cabbage jerkers.
Yeah.
Look at a little bit of that.
Eat that. Has it hit your... Oh, it hit my belly. And now my belly's on fire.
Cabbage ghost pepper jerky.
Oh my god, it actually does.
I thought you worked. Oh, Jesus, she's like a rabbit. Holy shit.
High five, Alex! Well done!
Oh, legend. You've converted me now. It's my new thing.
Definitely did it wrong the first time, and we apologise.
He was trying to beat us, wasn't he? He was trying to take the tri-channel down. Well, listen here, Alex. It didn't bloody happen.
A life without beef jerky is just not a life at all, really.
Thank you to Alex Sanderstrom. Thanks.
Thanks for watching us try real American beef jerky. If you'd like to see us try more stuff, why don't you subscribe to the channel and click the little bell and get the little notifications. And if you didn't think that I reacted well to that spicy food, why don't you try send us more spicy food? The spiciest of spicy. Try me.
The address is in the description.